If you're using an iPhone, there are some settings you might want to turn off right now, especially if you care about saving battery or keeping your data private. These are simple tweaks, and they won't break how your phone works. But they can make a real difference in performance and peace of mind. Start with Background App Refresh. You'll find it under Settings, General Background App Refresh. Just turn it off. A lot of apps try to stay active even when you're not using them, constantly updating in the background. That drains your battery and burns through data for no real reason. Next up, Email. Head to Settings, Mail Accounts, Fetch New Data. Turn off Push and set Fetch to Manual. That way your phone only checks for new mail when you actually open the Mail app. It's a small change that can seriously reduce background activity. Then there's Location stuff. Go to Settings, Privacy, and Security, Location Services. You'll see a list of apps that use your location. Change most of them to while using the app or even never if they don't really need it. Also, under System Services at the bottom of that menu, turn off things like location-based ads, iPhone analytics, and especially significant locations. That one tracks where you go most often, and there's really no good reason for it. While you're in Privacy Settings, go to Analytics and Improvements, and turn all of that off too. These settings just send your data to Apple. Same goes for Apple Advertising. Go to that section and switch off personalized ads. It won't get rid of ads entirely, but at least they won't be based on your behavior. If you use Safari, go to its settings and scroll to the Privacy and Security section. Make sure things like Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and Hide IP Address are turned on. It blocks trackers and helps keep your web activity private. Finally, if you're curious, turn on App Privacy Report under Privacy and Security. It'll show you which apps access stuff like your camera, microphone, and location. You might be surprised by what you see. None of this will mess up how your phone works day to day. You'll still get emails, use your favorite apps, and browse like normal, but you'll be using less battery and keeping more of your info private. Definitely worth a few minutes of your time.